I've signed an executive order that is declaring a public health emergency in the state of Wisconsin.
Governor Doyle made that announcement this afternoon when it was revealed that 2 more people are likely to have the swine flu in Wisconsin.
So is there any connection between these new cases, including one in northeast Wisconsin, and the previous ones? Fox 11's Robert Hornacek joins us now with the latest. Robert?
Well, Tom, going into today, there were 3 probable cases of swine flu in Wisconsin, 2 in Milwaukee and 1 in Adams County. As the day ends, that number is 5, and public health officials expect it to get higher.
Today we are adding 2 more probable cases, 1 in Sheboygan and 1 in Ozaukee County.
Governor Jim Doyle told reporters in Madison, Wisconsin is well prepared for a flu pandemic if that's what the swine flu outbreak turns into.
The public health emergency that I am declaring today will give public health officials all the tools they need to respond to this challenge.
Doyle says the declaration will allow the state to distribute antiviral stockpiles as needed and to make the medication available regardless of people's insurance coverage. The declaration also makes the National Guard available to respond if necessary.
We don't expect that we are going to need Guard assistance at this point, other than perhaps in some of the help in moving the antiviral medication around the state.
Meanwhile, in Milwaukee,
the disease is here.
Health Commissioner Bevan Baker said the state assistance will be welcomed.
And we take the guidance from today's declaration, which will make assets available to this local health department and will enhance our power to respond not only rapidly but very thoroughly.
While the number of cases in Milwaukee remained at 2, the number of public schools closed grew from 4 to 5 as Allen Field Elementary School was shut down.
A symptomatic child related to one of the 2 probable cases is associated with that school.
A private school in Milwaukee voluntarily closed because of the swine flu. A spokesperson for St. Anthony's says the school closed because it is near some of the public schools that were closed. While the concern may be growing, the governor says the situation is under control.
You know, this is moving rapidly and we are staying on top of it 24 hours a day.
The cases in Wisconsin still have to be confirmed by the Centers for Disease Control. The Wisconsin State Health Officer says in 3 of the 5 probable cases, there were connections to travel to areas where the swine flu has been infecting people.